Welcome to Recipes. Today's recipe is salmon with a honey soy glaze. 12 ounces skinless salmon. 1 tablespoon olive oil. Honey soy marinade. 4 garlic cloves, minced. 2 teaspoons ginger, minced. Half teaspoon red pepper. 1 tablespoon olive oil. 1/3 cup soy sauce. 1/3 cup honey. Place salmon in a sealable bag or medium bowl. In a small bowl, mix marinade ingredients. Pour half of the marinade on the salmon. Let the salmon marinate in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. In a medium pan, heat oil. Add salmon to the pan, but discard the used marinade. Cook salmon on one side for about 2 to 3 minutes, then flip over and cook for an additional 1 to 2 minutes. Remove salmon from the pan. Pour in the remaining marinade and reduce heat. Serve the salmon with sauce and a side of veggies. Now eat and enjoy. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell to get notified when a new recipe is released. Thanks for watching.